It's cold out there, fellas. Welcome back for another one. We are out here again today, and it's raining and it's cold. Yesterday I was wearing a t-shirt. It was warm all day. It was warm during the night we were out here working, and now it is raining and it is cold. So let me show you guys what we got done. It was a pretty good outcome with the fence. It is raining, guys, so we got to make it quick out here, but check it out. Of course, the dogs have the doo-doo all over the place. Now I got to go get that and clean it for them. Anyways, here we go, guys. The gates are done. Everything looks good. Everything is together. Let me clean some dog poop and I will get back to you in a minute. Alright guys, we're back in here. So anyways, man, it's raining good outside. Yeah, so anyway, the gates came out pretty good. I am very happy with them. There you can see them from the top view. Yeah, they don't look bad. They came out really straight and accurate and clean and the way they're supposed to for being banged up and beat up and all the stuff you can imagine with them. I am gonna go buy some burritos real quick because I'm starving and it's cold. One of those mornings I need some coffee, need some burritos. Had to dig through my front garage this morning to find some hinges. Bought a box of hinges one time and I couldn't find them for gates. So, oh yeah, check this out. We got the grill shell mounted for the mirror. I just need to put a mirror in it now. And I gotta paint our little access panel there. But yeah, other than that, that came out alright. I'm just trying to put stuff where it needs to go. I need to move the wagon forward. I need to start bringing the stuff from the shop, from the garage in here. My toolbox, all my tools, shelving, cabinets, all that needs to start coming in here, and all this stuff needs to start getting organized. But I don't know if today's the day, because with the rain I can't move that stuff through all that mud in the front yard because I haven't put crusher there yet. Other than that, I'm gonna go grab us some burritos and we're gonna build that last final gate, guys. I got the metal outside and pretty much the little access gate. Should not take me too long. Oh yeah, look at this. We got that puppy mounted yesterday too. Yeah, I was all excited. I've been trying to mount that stupid thing on the wall for a while. It's this one. Nope, that one? Yes. Let's turn them all on, why not? Give you guys a view again. Check it out. Still got a lot of space to give. There she is. There she is, boys. That's a full-size one too. That's a big light, but it's cool. Yeah, we still got some space here. And we got old Winston over there by himself. Alright, well, I ain't got money right now to be buying more neons. Anyways, cut you back on here in a minute. Check it out. Damn, she looks good.